Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing how I made myself a standing desk for my home office. I work from home all day on the computer, sitting down, and I felt like I wasn't moving around enough. It's actually starting to feel quite unhealthy. So I wanted a standing desk so that I could stretch, I could stop and do squats, jump up and down, whatever, just to try and keep moving. First, I measured for the legs and what height I wanted my standing desk to be. This will obviously depend on how tall you are, so I had to do some maths working out the eye level of my monitor, the depth of the wood for the surface, and then the leg length. The legs for my standing desk ended up being 40 centimetres, but then I am quite short. Luckily, I had a square piece of timber in my garage that I thought could work for the legs, so I measured out the four legs using a tape measure and a square. Then I cut all the pieces using my miter saw. As you can see, I am on the floor, but I can't wait until I've got my workshop set up so that I can work in there. For the surface itself, I had an offcut of wood which I measured at 85 centimetres by 30 centimetres. This was plenty deep enough and wide enough for me to have my two screens. To fix the legs, I marked the central point of the end of each leg, and then I pre-drilled a hole in each. I then screwed in a double-ended screw. Next, I measured where I wanted each leg to go in each corner, and I pre-drilled the hole ready for the double-ended screw, and then I screwed them into position. I wanted to stain up the standing desk similar to my other desk, so I used the same dark oak satin varnish from Wilko, and I gave it 2 coats. I was pleased with it when it was dry, but I just felt that it wasn't stable enough as the legs were quite long, so I decided to add pocket holes in each leg. This was a really good opportunity for me to use my Kreg jig. I actually had to use a screw to put the jig on to the piece of wood because I only wanted one pocket hole in each leg, so this was good practice for me to have a go at using my jig. I did also use some wood glue to help hold them into position. So I put in one pocket hole facing the back so you can't see them, and then I secured each one with a 1.5 inch pocket hole screw, and I just felt that they were really secure. Lastly, I put everything into position on my desk. I am really chuffed with it. I have been working at the desk for about 3 days a week, which has been so much better for me. Sometimes I put my yoga mat behind me and I do some jumping jacks and yoga stretches to keep myself more active during the day. The good thing is that I've still got plenty of room to use the desk sitting down, and on the days that I'm not using it, I just pop it under the desk. At the moment I am using my monitor riser as the keyboard shelf, but it is a bit low, so I think I might make another riser in the future when my workshop is all set up. Thank you for watching. If you decide to make one of these standing desks, then leave me a comment and let me know. It was really easy and it was done probably in less than a day. If you're not a subscriber, then don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!